We're moving the original torch from the pedestal to the new museum so that every one of the 4.5 million people that come here each year can have their opportunity to see it up close. The technical people, once they started working on the statue in the 80s, determined that this torch was, the original torch was beyond repair. They could not fix it and put it back up. In fact, it was the cause of much of the deterioration inside the statue because they drilled windows into it that were not originally there. And those windows leaked. And that began the deterioration of the statue, which we fixed in the 1980s.
But it is our most precious artifact, and it had to be very carefully done. It is on a special piece of equipment that will gently drive it over to its new home in the museum, and once it's there, we'll have an opportunity to do some additional restoration work.
It's going to be moved across the plaza on a transportation vehicle that's made especially to not have any vibrations or not do anything that could possibly damage the torch or more the flame, which is glass. So it's a hydraulic vehicle, and the meaning of that is while it's moving across a uneven surface, the actual platform will stay steady. It will not vibrate, it will not move up and down. The wheels and the hydronics of the machine take all those bumps and vibrations into consideration. It won't be a long process. It's probably going to take us 20 minutes to a half hour to move it across the plaza into the construction site. Once into the construction site, it'll be rigged again to be moved into the museum.